I'm Maggie McGinnity, otherwise known as Maggie Misery. Now, if you're wondering about the 6 in the middle of my name, 6 just happens to be my favorite number. If you're wondering about the lip syncs, it's a long story. I usually get bored, especially when I'm stuck at home with nothing to do and no one to talk to, and I'm always looking for ways to express myself, and I just found a new one. Mainly lip syncs. Also, I'm in love with music and lyrics. Lyrics more than anything visually. So I have a lot of songs memorized and I love lip syncing them. This vlog is really getting boring. I'm sorry. But yeah, I may or may not add music to the back of this because people around my house forgot. I figured I'd just let you know who I am. Hi, why I do what I do. And you don't care. So I'm just going to turn off the camera now. Some comments would be nice. You're not watching this anyway. Bye.